Hello everyone, welcome back to Charisma. My name is Savita and today we are going to weave this beautiful moon-shaped dream catcher. For this I have here two plastic rings which I will cut and place one on top of another like this. Wrap the ring with yarn all over and with the help of a glue gun attach it as shown. For weaving, take the same wool and pass it through a blunt needle. The length of the yarn could be 5 to 6 times of the circumference. We will first weave the middle part of this dreamcatcher. Tie one end of the wool at the very bottom of the ring. Add 2 to 3 knots to secure it nicely. Dab few drops of clear nail paint so that the knot does not slip off. We will start weaving around the circumference. Hold the yarn firmly with one hand and pass the needle from outside to inside of the ring, passing it through the loop. Observe carefully a few more times, it is easy. Like so, keep moving upward and around the ring. Try to keep the distance between the two loops approximately equal. You don't need to measure the distance, just eyeball it. One by one, just traverse the entire outer periphery. Once you have gone one full round, it's time to add another layer. For that, we will pass the needle catching the loop from the earlier one. See carefully, I am holding the knot and passing the needle through the loop. Pull the thread firmly and keep going like this. At this point, I'm adding a yarn of another color. Simply bring the end together, make a knot, pull it tight, apply some nail paint and let it dry. And when it is dried, clip it off. And continue going around the same way, catching the loops one by one all around. When you have reached almost the center at this point, just observe carefully. I'm catching the loops from both the sides and making a knot. This way, it will close the web as you move along. Watch once more. Needle in one side, going to another, and making a knot. And it's closed. Keep going this way and close your web. When the web is closed, pass the needle and thread to the backside and secure it with knots. Dab some nail paint and cut the extra off. Now look at this beauty. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Thank you so much for staying with me. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.